Tastes like metal.
And the caffeine is hitting. I have to drink black tastes like shit. So what happened is we won by 36 points and we blew them out. We weren't missing shots. We made every shot. Threes. This guy made like 3 threes in a row, and we got cocky. So we were down by over 20 points in that game, and we came back and got it within 3 points. So it was led by Jeremy's defense. Layup, two lines, come on. We need people over here.
Oh, there's
What's
Jeremy.
up? Who's this?
That's your little guy.
Your pussy assistant. Bro, what are you doing?
He's so late.
Jeremy, little nigga.
He's late.
What's up, bro?
He's fucking late.
I trained in.
I can see. All right, well, this is Jeremy. All right.
Assistant.
All right, man.
We cooked them.
You cooked them, yeah. So what happened is we won by 36 points and we blew them out. We weren't missing shots. We made every shot. Threes. This guy made like 3 threes in a row, and we got cocky. And second game,
We learned a lot.
we learned a lot. Yeah, one, that we are not as good as we thought we were, and 2, we just got to play harder defense. So we were down by over 20 points in that game, and we came back and got it within 3 points. So it was led by Jeremy's defense. He started the run. Yeah, it was too high octane. We're gonna do some like late 90s Detroit Pistons type defense right now. So we're gonna go get groceries. What's up with that, man? Defense wins games. You saw how tired they were last game?
Yeah.
They were so fucking... Bro, you guys need to get Kai the ball. He's open every single time and he never gets the ball. And it pisses me the... Before the games, it gets you guys just tweaking, you know? It's like some Space Jam. You know what Space Jam, when they drink the bottle?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they get superpowers?
Yeah.
This is our Space Jam. Whatever that magic water.
There's.
Alright. You guys, this is your initiation to becoming my assistant, okay?
Oh.
You two are gonna drink that.
Wait, it's only 2.
I mean, because I don't know, you guys can't. We're gonna share it.
Alright.
So I know you can't finish it. So, look. This is how you...
Half?
Yeah, half. Take the lid off.
Oh.
Lids are for girls.
Oh.
And straws.
Right.
Like it's a San Miguel. Because it's made from chemicals and it's not real. It's not real food. So this is real food, and yeah, it doesn't taste that good, but you get used to it eventually. And watch, and you're gonna get stamina from this, okay? So I'll finish it off. All right, I'm proud of you guys. Let's go get some groceries.
Alright, let's go. It tastes like metal.
Tastes like metal?
Yeah.
All right, give me your reaction. Tell me.
It's bitter. It tastes like metal.
But what about bitter melon? Bitter melon's also bitter, right?
Yeah.
What about you? What's
Well, I
your...
want to sleep, but I can sleep now.
Okay, and you?
I feel awake.
Yeah, let's go.
I can sleep.
Lucas.
Yeah, I need Lucas, man. He's a vital part of the team. He doesn't want to be on the team anymore? What happened?
He got scolded by his sister.
For why?
For the worm.
For doing the worm.
No way.
Yeah.
We're doing the worm?
Yeah, we're doing the worm. He got
We're
scolded.
just celebrating.
They got.
Why? Because his shirt got dirty?
No,
No,
I mean he's bones.
Oh, because of his bones?
Yeah.
Ah, what the f? Let me talk to his sister. Maybe she wants a kiss or something.
Oh.
He got scolded really hard. Then
His sister is no counter.
Is what?
You couldn't counter his sister.
You couldn't counter her?
Yes. He's a little boss.
He's a little boss?
He's boss baby.
Oh, he's boss baby? Oh, okay.
Ano mo
Gotcha.
kaya?
Gotcha. Well then, we'll just tell her that he won't do the worm next time. You know?
Can, ano? Ayo. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think ano, can hold it.
Hey, can you hold it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
So yeah,
He's
talk to
sorry.
Lucas and tell the sister we're sorry. Maybe bring her some pan de sol, and everything will be okay. Cause he is a vital part of the team.
No, it's marshmallow.
Oh. So we're doing peanut butter sandwiches Packing on the calories made by Jeremy.
Coach, we will be Ali Burton now. We will gain weight. Ali Burton.
Look at our coach. He's so fit,
Yeah.
strong.
We get you guys fit too.
Look at this one. She's so skinny.
All right. And we got the hard-boiled eggs from Inigo's Eggs. Hit them up. Sells them by the dozen. All right, we're gonna practice defensive slides. Okay. And lift it up. Go ball. Wait, like 10 minutes next game, so I need you to listen. Don't be afraid. Stop being a nice guy. Nice guys finish last. Too nice.
Okay, who's next?
Again, I want D-Rose again. We're gonna build this guy up. I want you to be a defensive stop. Good. Now these motherfuckers are gonna have nails and teeth.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Rose, I need to see this. And we call him D-Rose because he's always injured. Come on, hand on his body. Hand on his body, bro. And I love it. Keep doing that. Sometime, you dirty ass motherfucker. Yeah, I know. Good. Do it again. Do it again, Chantan. Fuck yeah, that's how you do it. Look up, Jeremy. Look up. Water. We caught. All right, you guys ready for 4-on-4?
Yes.
I play defense.
All right, hold on. Shoot the ball. You have to play 4-on-4. Enough's enough of this. Okay? This is for the prize. Go, take it out. Shoot the ball for who's taking it out.
Go shoot the ball.
Yeah. We're going to 21. No, 3-pointer, bro. What are you doing? What is it? Oh, that's air ball. Stop trying to split the double team. You're not that guy.
Halftime, 11.
That's 11, halftime. Get some water. We caught you in 4K HD just standing there on defense.
No pizza with 100 push-up.
Yeah. All right. Push up. Okay, take your time. I'll do them with you. No push-ups, no playing time. Yeah. Just finish them, dude. So you guys gotta take. Oh, good. Good job. So you guys gotta take losing like a champ too. You can't win everything.
How about Jeremy?
Jeremy, I don't like his mindset right now, but it's okay. We'll have a talk later. Coach, Tonton, you too. You're on timeout, Tonton.
Yes.
Both of them. You guys want to redeem yourself or no? You have one last chance.
Push-up na kayo sa'yo.
No?
Wait, coach.
Are you gonna do them? I'll wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna do them? No? Okay. We'll check in later. 12 players and they made 11 plates.
I know.
Man, we have 12 players and they made 11 plates.
I know. Coach, CJ and Gab will not attend.
Oh, so there's 11. There really is 11. Okay. So we got a little protein, a little carbs. Inigo. We unlocked Inigo's strengths yesterday. This guy just needs coffee and caffeine and he just turns into the Filipino shack. So we gotta see this. Yeah. But it's gonna make a high fee. Oh. Will you vlog you guys drinking coffee on the way there? Okay. Drink it in the. So our game got pushed back like 1 or 2 hours because of the rain, and the caffeine is hitting. Come on.
They said we should vlog.
Yeah, we should.
We should go first.
So,
Tantan wants to.
Tonton, tell us what's the update. Give us an update, bro.
Oh no, what the fuck? The management says game continues tomorrow.
Coach, what do you want to say to the vlog?
I want to say that I really don't want the other team to score more than 10 points. If they score like 18, 19, that's okay. But I want you guys to shut them down and make a statement.
Yeah.
I want everybody, I want all the teams to be like, damn. Solana Country Homes plays that D, and they slang that D. Layups, 2 lines, layups. Jeremy, stop shooting, get in line, come on. Layups, 2.
We have every plan. Julia Beto, 2 strong.
I got that on camera.
Come on.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice one. That's game, baby.
Game. We won game. First game. Wait. Okay. Huh?
Great job on defense. Good 3-pointers, and we made adjustments. So
Ken,
let's get ready for game 4.
toyo mo Ken.
1, 2, 3, take